hindi ka naman control freak when you started it.
Nung nagsimula, hindi. Kasi
Lalo na kasi baby mo yun.
Oo.
Baby mo eh. So
Oo.
parang, kanyari ganyan.
Oo.
Like the small things na
Yeah.
parang kung ako yan. Kasi syempre perfect yan. Kasi love na love mo yan. Diba? How was that challenge of delegating or giving someone access to your, what you started?
Kasi,
Sarap.
iba talaga pag baby mo, you want to take good care of it, di ba? But if you also want to scale, there's also some of the things that you have to let go. So first, yung salted caramel.
So is it true that no one's gonna love it the way you love it?
That's true. That's true.
No one's gonna work as hard
Yeah.
as to make it, to improve it the way you do.
Yeah.
Make it perfect. So how do you?
But may iba that shares the same vision. But marami hindi talaga. Pero
Parang
syempre,
isip nila pera-pera lang yan eh.
Oo,
Diba?
syempre. Yan yung malakas
oo.
ngayon eh.
But it's a matter of maintaining relationships with them, instilling ano ba talaga yung magiging culture ng cafe natin, ng brand natin, and also constant audits, reminders to keep it standardized and consistent dapat.
May mga
So,
sinaraduhan ka na?
Yes,
Oh.
yes.
Ah, talaga?
Oo.
Anong worst na nangyari? Gusto ko yung tea.
Oo, cheese
Let's
mo na
tea
kape.
it. Oh
Tea
my
muna,
gosh,
tea.
tea
Sa mga
muna.
nagpa-franchise sa'yo na sinira ang pangalan
Oo,
ng
yung kumbaga yun yung
Bumpers
last
Coffee.
straw, sarado na yan.
Okay. So,
that's-
nasa isang ano siya, nasa isang chika ko, wala naman
Wala akong alam eh.
Yeah.
Wala namang pangalan, hindi naman tayo magdidemanda.
Nasa isang ano siya, community. Nasa isang community siya. Pero mga condo community. And then, dati, nagla-live ako minsan sa TikTok.
Yeah.
Biglang nag-chat, uy, sira yung, nahulog yung kisame, yung pangit ng ugali ng mga, sa mga staff nila, ganun. Pero syempre, as a business owner, I give it the benefit of the doubt.
Yeah.
Kasi sa online
Baka
naman,
hater lang.
oo, baka hearsay lang. So, you have to verify muna. So, upon verification, it's true naman talaga there are challenges in terms of the whole management and all. Tapos, ang dami na, to a point na, I found out na meron din silang, nag-put up sila ng isang same brand. And in the contract, di yan pwede. That's non-compete. So,
Parang kinuha mo yung...
oo. Tapos, same branding, same lahat. Ganun
But
siya.
second.
But second coffee siya. Charot. And then, marami silang, ano tawag dito? Shucks. Marami silang accountability sa amin. Ganon. And then, the lessor tried to patch us up. Pero sabi ko, this is someone that I can no longer
Yes.
work with. Yung values namin doesn't align. So, might as well, I have to cut the, partnership.
Eh,
You have to have boundaries. Hindi
Oo
naman pwede
naman.
okay lang. Eh,
Tsaka at
diba?
the end of the day,
Brand
franchise nila yung brand mo.
Yes,
So, at
yes. Oo.
ikaw pa rin ang may-ari ng
Oo.
Saka ikaw ang
Oo.
mapa.
First coffee.
Exactly. Siya yung hini-hate. Pag ano.
Oo.
How do you, especially since social media now is like the main marketing tool, how do you make sure that you use social media positively when it comes to the comments, the bashing?
Yeah.
How do you make sure you use it positively and you kind of face out dun sa negative?
Oh, sabi ko, if this was me, like, 2012, patola talaga ako.
Ay, nako. Sinagot niya lahat.
Yes, sinagot ko lahat. Pero this position, this business has humbled me na parang hindi ka rin makakarating dito if hindi ka marunong makipag-adjust or makipaghalubilo sa mga tao. So, syempre, maraming mga nagbabash, marami din, pangit ang kape nyo, lang lasa, ganun. But,
Huwag ka bumili.
iniisip din namin na take whatever is relevant to us. Parang all others are noise eh. So, whatever, let's say may nag-report na branch, audit agad. But the rest na general lang sinasabing pangit ng kape nyo. It's
Oh,
all
subjective
noise.
yun eh.
Yes,
Yeah.
oo. But for those feedback na, hey, I went to this branch, I ordered this, ganitong araw, yun yung mga ina-entertain namin. And sa mga bashers, parang minsan silence is golden eh. Parang bahala kayo dyan.
Silence.
Mas lalong nakaka-motivate na lang siya to improve better.
Tsaka sometimes, di ba, we take feedback seriously, of course.
Oo.
But sometimes we have to take it with a grain of salt.
Yes.
You know, parang
Oo.
you've trusted your brand for a long time na naman. So alam mo na yung brand mo and I'm sure chine-check mo naman ng mga franchisees mo. Not perfect, just
Yes,
like,
oo.
this one. Meron pa naman mga mishaps, di ba? Kasi
Yes,
siya nga
oo.
nakakita, bakit walang branding yung mismo ka, di ba? Mali ba nating But First Coffee yan?
Oh,
Correct.
totoo
Diba?
naman.
Tapos may
Totoo
stocks naman na tayo sa warehouse, di ba? Nagpa-validate.
So bakit wala?
Nakangati na nga. Gusto na
Yes.
mag-text. Gusto na may tumawag. Gusto mo na mag-break.
Pero aside syempre sa mga failures o pagkukulang ng mga franchisees mo, meron I'm sure mga inspiring success stories
Yes,
from them. Meron
oo.
bang pwedeng i-share sa amin na meron bang franchisee na mas malaki pa ngayon ang kanyang branch kesa sa mga branch mo?
A lot. Sila yung 14 outlets ng But First Coffee. Magaganda talaga yung mga branches nila. They're very, very compliant. Sila yung type of franchisees that respect the brand and our policies. Siyempre, hindi din kami perfect. May mga lapses din kami. But they do their best to understand and meet in between. Pero may isa talaga akong na I wanted to share. Yung first branch namin sa baba, naka-co-lease siya sa isang shawarma business. So, yung, she was a staff there na may place siya somewhere in Queens Row Molino na parang pwede din for business. So, yun yung parang first ever partnership namin. She's a breadwinner until now. Pero paiba't iba yung mga nagiging racket niya before. But one thing na nag-stable sa dami-dami niyang racket is But First Coffee. So up till now, the branch is still there. Siya na yung fully franchisee and she's been with us since the beginning. Siya yung unang naniwala talaga sa kay But First Coffee na it could have a potential.
So may 14 na siya?
And ito yung first niya na parang tumatatak talaga sa akin na breadwinner siya. Madami siyang racket. But ito yung
How do you make sure na yung fear mo ng parang yung trust sa franchisees na pwede silang biglang bumuo na, like ganun, bumuo ng sarili nila, di ba? Pwede pag nakuha na nila yung sistema ng But First Coffee, nakuha na nila yung timpla. How are you so sure na hindi sila? How do you make sure that relationship is intact lagi?
Those are the things na kahit may mga contracts, something that I cannot control, no? But siguro, being in this business for quite some time already, it's something that I've learned to accept. That's why may kontrata, just in case na may ganyan man, may babalikan tayo. But it's a matter of choosing din yung battles mo. Pero as much as possible, let's prevent that from happening. That's why may mga franchise assemblies kami, may mga monthly
Sports
memos, sports fest sana soon, no? Pero may mga audits and visits and business reviews kami na binibigay sa kanila para lang to keep them profitable, sustainable.
Pero kalayo ba yung pinakamalayong franchise?
Zamboanga. Meron kami sa Zamboanga City.
Umabot na ng
Buong Pilipinas sa talaga, di
Oo,
ba?
Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao.
Aside from BFC, may iba ka pa bang business?
May mga baby brands sa sharing yung same sa head office kasi 'di ba may mga different departments. So we share the shared services to build up this baby brands. F&B din lahat. Ayun.
F&B din.
Yes,
okay. So
F&B din.
is there a plan to expand in that way? In ibang products?
Yes, yes.
Meron.
Oo.
Nice.
Parang naturally pag negosyante ka, parang ang dami mong nasa isip na parang, okay, may market dito. This is something that we can fill the gap in. Innovate
Yun
tayo
din ang
dito.
Magandang kwentuhan mo, especially for the viewers. How do you manage burnout? How many years mo nang ginagawa to? 6?
Learning
Natuloy-tuloy.
skills.
Every day.
oo.
But First Coffee. How do you manage burnout? Kasi, again, baby mo to eh.
Oo.
So, when you travel or when you go on vacation, hindi mo naman ever makakalimutan si
oo.
okay. So, how do you manage all the time?
So, number 1, kakapihan ko lang. Number 2, typical, nagbe-breakdown talaga ako. Pero bangon ulit. And number 3, parang, I learned to be grateful regardless. So, but by having that mindset na grateful ka because of all of these blessings, privileges, parang yung nagproblema mo, lumiliit siya. So, nagiging grateful ako. Yun na lang yung iniisip ko.
May natutunan ka bang bagong diskarte? Huwag kang matakot na sumubok. Para sa mga nanay na nag-aalinlangan, para sa mga kabataang takot mag-umpisa, at sa bawat manggagawang nagpapakapagod, para sa inyo to. Kung na-inspire ka, ipaalam mo sa amin. Mag-comment, mag-like at i-share ang episode na to sa mga kailangan din ng push ngayon. Kita-kits sa Apple Podcasts, Spotify at YouTube. Discarding Pinoy, powered by Converge. Sama-sama tayong lalaban sa mga aral ng buhay.